Well, in honor of the Bemidji Rotary Club's 80th anniversary, the club pledged $100,000 to a new inclusive playground facility in Bemidji. Kathleen Cohen went to the Paul Bunyan Park to find out more about the playground and how it will impact the community.
Maddie is 6 years old. She has cerebral palsy and global developmental delay as well as epilepsy.
Maddie is unable to play with other kids on the playground because playgrounds in the area are not handicapped friendly.
A lot of playgrounds use P-rock or wood chips, and that's not very friendly for her. Not only because she can't get around, but because she's also very oral and wants to put everything in her mouth. So that doesn't work real well for us.
The first inclusive playground in northern Minnesota is on its way, and the Bemidji Rotary has pledged $100,000 towards the new play facility.
Bemidji Rotary really liked the idea of this project because it focuses on health, community, and the youth, and that's the idea of our strategic plan right now.
This right here is the playground that currently exists in the Paul Bunyan Park, and it is not handicap friendly. There are stairs and there's not a whole lot of surface area. The new Paul Bunyan inclusive playgrounds will have more surface area, which will allow wheelchairs for kids with or without disabilities to play together.
I think it'll be excellent for the community. We have a lot of kids in the area that'll benefit from it.
This is really going to be one of those projects that in the creation of it brings the community together just because the need is so strong and everybody understands this is a worthwhile cause and a great project.
The total cost of the playground is $460,000, and additional funds still need to be raised before the project can begin.
Right now, with the city has pledged some funds, the county has, Bemidji Rotary, so we're about halfway there.
The new playgrounds will have rubberized surfacing so that people with walkers and wheelchairs can have easy access. There will also be molded high-backed swings and harnesses available for children with little muscle tone, and sensory-rich structures to encourage activity in children with developmental disabilities such as autism, Down syndrome, and kids like Maddie who have cerebral palsy, and will allow all children with and without disabilities to play together.
I want to play with my sister on the playground.
I think it'll bring a lot of people into the community. I know myself, I've been known to travel up to like 45 miles to a nearer community or to another community that has a playground with a better surface area and accessibility for children with disabilities, and I think we'll see the same thing here in Bemidji.
The fact that it's an inclusive playground, it appeals to people of all abilities, parents and grandparents of all abilities, and so the idea is that it's going to be one of those gems in Bemidji.
Reporting in Bemidji, Kathleen Cohen, Lakeland News.
The Paul Bunyan Inclusive Playground is set to be built by the summer of 2016 in the Paul Bunyan Park near the popular statues of Paul and Babe. It will be handicapped accessible both for children, parents, grandparents, and anyone in the community.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.